Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making fried broccoli soup. Let's do what we do and make it happen. We have some frozen broccoli that's been cooked. We have some vegetable oil. We have self-rising flour, black pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, an egg. We have some more self-rising flour, and we have a little regular flour also, and we have milk. Hey guys, before we get started, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And while you're at it, subscribe. Broccoli here, all we're gonna do is get this broccoli onto a plate and into the microwave, and we're gonna cook it in the microwave according to package directions, which in this case is 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, we have the broccoli ready, and we're just gonna pour it on this plate just like this. Now I'm gonna spread it out with my fingers, my nice clean fingers, and I'm gonna cut some of these pieces into smaller bits, and then I'm gonna put them back in the microwave. I'm just gonna cut these into halves, only the big ones, because this is, when you put the batter on them, they get really big. The reason why we cooked the broccoli in the bag and then took them out of the bag, cut them and spread them out on the plate and put them back in the microwave is because we want them more dry. We want them to dry out some before we fry them. We're gonna get our large pot over medium heat. We're gonna take our vegetable oil. You know people love to fry when they got a big vat of oil like this. All right, gonna get that in there. What we want to do is get this oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna check the temperature of the oil from time to time with my trusty laser thermometer. Crack this egg. Get it into the milk. Then we're gonna whisk this up. Next, we're gonna get this bowl down here. We're gonna add this flour to the bowl. And that's self-rising flour. Our milk and egg mixture, that goes in. And we're gonna mix this together. Basically making like a little batter. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, guys, is take this other flour. Now remember I said this is self-rising flour, but we also have a little regular flour in there too. We're gonna add our black pepper, our garlic powder. We're gonna add our Cajun seasoning mix. So we're just gonna take a fork and mix this together, just like so. Now we're using frozen broccoli here, but you can use cauliflower. It's your kitchen, do what you want. I'm just not into cauliflower. So we're good to go. We have our fry station, we have our broccoli, we have our seasoned flour, and we have our batter. Let's check that oil. Ooh, too hot, see? I was running my mouth over there talking about what we're gonna do, and it got too hot. So what do now? We just move the oil to the side, turn this off, and let the oil come back down to temperature. That's y'all fault. Guys, that's your fault. I'm trying to explain all these things, and I let the oil get too hot. I blame all of you. You are fully responsible. We got our frying station set up here. Now this is a little reverse We usually dip into flour and then batter. Normally if we were frying chicken or something, we dip it into this, then that. But this time we're going to do it in reverse. We're going to take our wonderful broccoli. We're going to dip it into the batter, drain off the excess, then we're going to dip it in the flour. Right about there, 352 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's fry some broccoli. You want them nice and crispy too, guys. Don't be afraid to get a little color on them. We're not gonna burn them, but we want them nicely fried and crispy. This is what we're looking for, guys, right here. And I like using basically the tail of the broccoli. This part here for holding and dipping, and because I like the texture of that end when it's done. Just flip them around and let them do their thing. And guys, stick around because I'm gonna make a nice little dipping sauce to go with them. Yeah, I said it. We're gonna sprinkle a little salt on them, just a little bit. We can do that while the oil is coming back up to temperature. Now, I'm just gonna fry the rest of these. You wanna flip them around a lot because you don't want one side to burn and the other side not to be cooked at all. You just wanna be mindful, you wanna pay attention, you wanna be on your job. Couple teaspoons of lemon juice. Some sriracha. There we go. Get that sriracha in there, guys. You know I like it spicy, but really this isn't all that hot. Next up is some chipotle ranch. Yeah, that'll do. Now we're just gonna get that chipotle ranch and that sriracha and lime juice. I'm gonna salt to taste. And just mix it up. I'm gonna taste one of our bits. First I'm gonna let you know how crispy it is. That's good. And since I done double dip, I have to get another one for the test. Look at that. So good. Look at that, guys. That's what's up. Hey guys, you can check out other recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I'm about to put out a lot of videos. Alright, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.